If you're launching a website on a budget, Bluehost Shared Hosting is one of the most popular starting points. For as low as $3.95 a month, you get a free domain for your first year, free SSL, SSD, or NVMe storage, and built-in Cloudflare CDN for better speed and security. It's beginner-friendly, officially recommended by WordPress, and the setup is quite quick. Here's what you need to watch out for. After the first term, prices jump significantly. The basic plan also lacks email hosting, while support is 24/7. Many users report long wait times and unhelpful responses. Real users on Reddit say the name, and some call it a simple, cheap starting point, but others describe lost domains, random suspensions, and slow performance during traffic spikes. One user even said, Bluehost is just another HostGator. Cheap at first, then expensive for mediocre service. Bottom line is, Bluehost is fine if you need a low-cost way to get online with solid basics like SSD storage and a free CDN. But if you want faster support or you plan to grow, you may outgrow it pretty fast. Have you tried it? Drop your experience in the comments. What else do you want to see from us? Maybe a comparison of Bluehost with something equivalent? Subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.